Magandang araw mga ka-SSS members. Sa video ito, ituturo ko kung paano kayo mag-enroll ng bank account gamit ang Disbursement Account Enrollment Module sa inyong SSS Online. Ngayon, kung hindi mo pa alam, tapusin mo ang video na ito para malaman kung paano. So bago pa natin simulan ang lahat, dapat mayroon ka ng kopya or picture ng iyong UMID card. Dapat back-to-back po ito. I-scan nyo lang or picturean, put it in the Microsoft Word and gawin yung PDF. Or di kaya, yung picture lang yung i-upload niyo. At isa pa yan, dapat mayroon din kayong picture ng iyong ATM card back-to-back na may nakasulat na buong pangalan at yung account number. At hindi lang yan, dapat mayroon na din kayong selfie picture na may hawak ng iyong ATM card at UMID card. Kung mayroon ka na nito, pumunta ka na sa kahit na anong browser, i-type lang at i-key in ang sss.gov.ph, i-click lamang itong I'm not a robot and click submit. Pagkatapos niyan, log in as a member. And then, mag-login lang kayo gamit ang iyong password at user ID. I-click lamang itong I'm not a robot and click submit. Pagkatapos yan, nandito ka na sa loob na yung SSS online account. Pag wala ka pang SSS online account, huwag kalimutang i-check ang previous video ko na nagtuturo kung paano magkaroon ng user ID at password. Okay, ito na ang magpa-pop up. I-click nyo lang itong maybe next time. I-close na lang itong notification. Pagkatapos niyan, pumunta dito sa itaas na bahagi at i-click itong e-services. Diyan makikita nyo ang Disbursement Account Enrollment Module. Yeah. I-click nyo lang yan. At pagkatapos niyan, ito na ang makikita ninyo, isang reminders, pakibasa na lang at intindihin ng mabuti. Okay, and then, i-click lamang to I certify that I have read and understood the foregoing reminders and account enrollment, and then click proceed. Dito, may dalawang options kayo. Pwede kang mag-enroll ng bank account at pwede ka rin mag-enroll ng e-wallet. Ano ba tong e-wallet? RTC, CPO. Ito yung, for example, GCash, Paymaya account. Okay? Ngayon, ang i-enroll natin sa video ito ay itong bank. Click nyo doon, may magpa-pop up na note. The bank account name should be the same as your SSS registered name. Hindi po kayo pwedeng gumamit ng kahit na kaninong ATM card or bank account. Dapat sa inyo po nakapangalan dahil same po yung registered name nyo dito sa SSS ang kailangan nila. And please provide the correct bank account number and not the ATM card number. Magkaiba po yung bank account number at yung ATM card number. Okay? For example, sa ATM card na ito, dito nyo makikita yung account, yung card number. Pero, yung bank account number is nasa likod. So, different po yung account number. Nasa 10 numero po ang bank account number usually. Pero pag card number, mga 16 ata, okay? Oh, yeah, tama. Mga 16 numbers po. So, magkaiba po. So, take note on that. Pag e-wallet naman, RTC CPO, yung pipiliin nyo, hindi siya available ngayon eh. Hindi siya available kapag mag-a-apply ka ng salary loan. Okay? If you will file a salary calamity loan application, please enroll a bank account for crediting of your loan proceeds. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero hindi siya applicable kapag mag-a-apply ka ng calamity and salary loan. Okay? So, ngayon, click natin itong bank kasi ito yung gagawin natin ngayon. And then, pili lang kayo kung anong bangko under yung ATM card niyo. Sa akin, BPI. So, click na lang natin itong Bank of, hold on, Bank of Philippine Islands. Okay, ito. Yan, nandito. And then, yung bank account number, i-click at ilagay nyo lang dyan. And then, i-confirm nyo. Ulitin nyo lang. And then, pagkatapos naman, yung maulit sa ibabang bahagi, attach supporting documents. Yung sinasabi ko kanina na dapat naka-ready na kasi i-upload nyo lang po dito. So, proof of account, may pagpipilian kayo dito. Either yung ATM card with account number and name, ito yung pinipili ko kasi may ATM card, okay, at may makikita account number. And then kung bank certificate statement issued with the current year, ito po yung makikita ninyo. And then kung foreign remittance receipt naman, ito. And then kung passbook naman, ito. Kung pipiliin nyo naman yung screenshot of online, especially if may transaction kayo sa mobile banking, ito lang. Screenshot nyo lang at attach dito in JPG format or PDF. Dapat less than 2 or less than, not more than 1 MB kasi yun lang ang tatanggapin ng system. Kapag naman more than 2 MB, just downgrade the file po. Okay? So, yung pipiliin ko dito is yung ATM card with account number and then browse ko lang po dito yung file. Okay? Okay, ito yun. ATM card with name and account number. I-upload lang natin. Click na lang po natin itong open. Yan. Now, ito na naman yung ID card or identification document. So, upload a clear copy of your one valid government-issued identification card. So, para sa lista ng valid identification cards, i-click lamang po ito. Okay? So, kapag mayroon kayo niyan, just take a picture or scan nyo lang. And then, pili kayo. Okay? Browse nyo lang yung file at piliin niyo yung kung saan nyo sinave yung ID niyo. Tapos, upload nyo lang. And then, itong selfie photo naman, kailangan naman, para hindi kayo ma-reject, is upload your chest level photo holding the following. Your uploaded, the one that you uploaded, proof of account, yung uploaded na valid government-issued identification card or document. And then, upload a photo must be colored and clear. Dapat po klaro at malinaw. Okay? Dapat hindi kayo nakasuot ng eyeglass or dapat walang face mask, eyeglasses, and bandana. Okay? Para po matanggap nila. Ganito po sa sample. Ngayon naman, i-upload ko itong PDF file ng aking selfie photo. Pagkatapos mo ma-upload lahat ng supporting documents na kinakailangan nila, i-click naman itong nasa ibaba. I certify that the bank account details, blah, blah, blah. Basahin lamang yan. I-check nyo ito and then click nyo lang yung enroll. I-click nyo lang po itong okay. Pagkatapos yan, ito na po ang makikita ninyo. And you need to take note of the transaction number. Dahil mag-i-email lang sila if approve or disapprove yung account. So I will update you. It's 5:44 p.m. at it's March 27. Let's see kung kailan sila mag-i-email. Okay? Let's have it and wait for them to email us. Okay? And pag nagpunta kayo sa disbursement account, ito yung makikita ninyo, Bank of the Philippine Islands for branch approval. Okay, wait lang tayo and let's see if it's okay na. At sa wakas, approve na din ang ating disbursement account enrollment module. Kaya kung ikaw ay may planong mag-avail ng salary loan o di ba kaya mag-avail ng maternity benefits or pension mo, then finally, you have an account kung saan mo gustong paglagyan ang iyong mga benefits sa SSS. So I think that's it for this video. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And I think that's it. Until next video, thank you.